Hello, andito kami at gagawa ng smoothie. This is good for breakfast. Okay, so let's see. Meron ditong apple cider, meron ditong avocado, banana, and we add yogurt as well as there's more fruit like apple. Ayan, lapit ng magawa ang power food. Importante na kumain ng maganda sa umaga. Mag-shake sa umaga, mind, body, heart training. Importante na kumain ng masustansyang pagkain.
Visit Master Shishir at www.mastershishir.com.